Ushna's candid mirror selfie amidst floods invites heavy criticism. Ushna Shah is bold, beautiful, and talented Pakistani television actress. Ushna has worked in numerous hit and popular drama. The Bala actor becomes to a showbiz family. Her mother, sister, and brother are associated with media industry. Ushna Shah's most popular drama include Bashar Momin, Lashkara, Bala, and Alif Allah, and Or Insan. Ushna is currently appearing in drama serial Habas for ARY Digital. Recently, the actress candid married selfie got viral on social media in which she is wearing tight pants and a short top. She is posing in a bold manner in front of mirror of washroom. Have a look at her candid photos taken in the mirror of the washroom. Thank you for watching show